fish. Let's see if we can get anything. Yeah, and it's raining. There's so many of them inside. Nakain yung fish nandyan pa din. May nakuha siya. Yung gloves niya. Gosh.
Patay din tuhok na.
Correct.
Naihok na ito.
Ang bihirang gloves. Sabi ko pupunuin namin tong cooler na to eh. Hindi kasi kami fisherman. Hindi magaling. Nag-aaral pa lang. Okay, how to rig the minnow? You hook it on the middle at the back of the minnow. I'm not really sure if we can get anything today. It's cold. It's raining. It's right there. I came from the other side. I went down there. I went back. That stairs there. It rained. Oh. Alright, thanks folks for watching. I appreciate your support. So we'll update if we caught something, but it's not looking good. So well, anyway, hope everything is doing well, and we are going home too, because tomorrow is Monday. There's a fisherman. Whatever. Okay, sure. Let's see if you get something. And there's a a duck or a goose in the middle of the lake. And it just rained not too long ago. Itry da aday may isa nga pamidyayon fishing moon. Fishing rod na imbatim. Imbatim jay ko na. So we have a good experience. I think they are all busog. They're full. So they're not eating the menu. They said it's a menu to eat. So the trout will eat it, but not today. They are full. They're and we are full. Oh well, that's a good experience though. That's it for now. April 7, 2024. Oh, it's 43 degrees. It's cold. Brr. My hands are frozen. I need my gloves. I'm gonna go in the car and find that gloves. Daddy has gloves, but then he used it as a bait. It went to the water. Ay, ay, ay. Ang gulo. Duck, duck goose. Ora siya, timangkan ima kon lakay. Oh, what happened? Ay, nako. Oh, uy, matinag ka. Lo. Ay, nako po. Yan lang yung experience namin. Naipulpulitipot. Oh, hindi wala. Hindi namin alam. Ibalik yung ito. Oh, oh, oh. Naipulpulapol.
Ikaw naman nagpulpula rin dyan.
Yung bagong bili. Ay, ay, sorry. We're not fishers of the river. That's it. We give up. Let's go.
Nalam.
Ay, ay, ay. Naipulpulapol. Wala kaming na fishing, so mag-ihaw na lang kami ng baboy at baka, beef and pork. Oh really? Beef from Fairway. Now we have Iowa pork chop. Wala nang battery ito, kaya ubos na. Hindi ko alam kung pwede pa mamaya. Pero pwede nang mag-ihaw.